In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a note via comment. If you've ever wondered when to leave a quiet reminder for yourself and when to start a conversation with teammates, this walkthrough will make it clear. We'll look at both options so you can choose the right one for what you need. First, let's add a note. Click the cell you want to annotate, then right-click to open the context menu. Choose Insert Note. A small, sticky-style box appears next to the cell. Type your text directly in that box. This could be background context, a quick reminder about the data source, or an explanation of a formula. Notes are great for lightweight context that doesn't require a reply. When you're done, click anywhere outside the cell to save. You'll usually see a subtle indicator on the cell, and hovering over it shows the text. Notes stay attached to the cell and are meant to be unobtrusive, so keep them concise and factual to avoid clutter. Now let's add a comment. Right-click on the cell again and select Comment. This opens a comment field that's designed for collaboration. Type your comment clearly, state the issue, what you need, and any deadlines if relevant. If you want to bring someone into the conversation or assign a task, type the @ symbol followed by their email address. This mentions them and can send a notification depending on your sharing settings, helping the right person see and act on your message. Be mindful not to include sensitive information in the text of your comment. When you're ready, click Comment to post it. Comments create a visible thread connected to that exact cell, making it easy for collaborators to respond, ask follow-up questions, and keep decisions tied to the data. Use comments when you expect input, approval, or action from others. Use notes when you simply want to add context that people can read as they work, without prompting a back and forth. A few quick tips as you practice. If you don't see the insert note or comment options, make sure you're right-clicking directly on the cell you want to mark and that you have the right permissions on the file. Keep notes short to maintain readability. In comments, keep the tone professional and actionable, and use clear mentions so responsibilities are obvious. That's it. Two simple tools that keep your spreadsheet both informative and collaborative. Try adding a note for context and a comment for discussion on your next sheet,